Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? This is Huey, and we're back with another video. We have another trading session, and we have an amazing strategy for you today. So make sure to subscribe to all the channels, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And before we get into the strategy, I want to remind you guys to join the Neos private trading group. It is free for everybody, and we have a giveaway going on right now. The results are going to be out on 13th of April. That's Wednesday. So make sure to join this giveaway. You can do this by just watching a video from start to finish, leaving a comment and leaving a like under the video. So make sure to do that. It is very easy. It is available for everyone. And also, of course, this group is fantastic for anyone who tries to get into trading. We have trading sessions going on every day from Monday to Friday, and last week we had an over 90% success rate on all of the trades that we had. So this would be guaranteed money. So make sure to join this group. The spots are limited, but just send Neos a message and ask him whether there is a spot or not. If there is no spot, do not worry about it. You can still join the free signals group. That group is absolutely free, and as you can see here, we have a lot of useful information for you in here as well. We have different strategies, we have pictures on how to find entry points, we have everything, and we have the giveaway as well. So you can participate from this group as well from Monday to Sunday, 7 giveaways a week. There's the results of trading sessions that we have, and of course the tips for beginner traders, and the free trading session that happens as well from Monday to Friday. When there is a trading session in private trading group, you're gonna get 2 to 3 signals. So there it is. Join the group. The links are in the description below, and let's get into the actual strategy. For this strategy, we're going to use either 1 minute time frame or 2 minutes. You can of course use anything up to 15 minutes, but I will use only 1 minute and 2 minutes expiration times here. And we're going to add the indicator called Bollinger Bands. Once you do so, go to edit button and change the period to 20 and deviation to 2. Boom, there it is, save. We are ready to go. Also, for your convenience, make sure to change the candle time frame to 1 minute and enable timer so you can see when the candle expires. So the usual strategy with Bollinger Bands is to wait until the candle breaks out of the bottom level or the bottom level of Bollinger Band, close below the Bollinger or above the Bollinger Bands, and then you take a short or a long position. This strategy is a little bit different. It's modified, so you're going to wait for a bullish or bearish engulfing pattern to appear after the candle has closed below or above the Bollinger Band. As you can see here, the body of the green candle completely swallows the previous red candle, which broken out of the Bollinger Band, and this is bullish engulfing pattern. And once it happens, we're going to be entering a 1 minute or 2 minute long trade. And as you can see, if we took a 1 minute trade, we would win here. However, if we took a 2 minute trade, we would lose. And to decide whether you want to enter 1 minute or 2 minute trade, I advise to look whether the bullish or bearish engulfing patterns happened right after the candle broken out or on second or third. So if it happened as soon as the candle broken up on the next candle, then you're taking a 1 minute position. If it happened on second, third candle, then you're taking a 2 minute position. And let's look here actually and try to find more examples. This is not good, so let's check this out. There's none here. We can find some right here. You can see the candle has broken out and the bullish engulfing pattern happened, and then we take 1 minute position and we get our money. This strategy doesn't have a 100% success rate. However, it is really high compared to just looking at the candles breaking out. As you can see here as well, if this would happen, this would result in a win. This is not it. As you can see, the red candle doesn't swallow the green candle entirely, so this is not an entry point. But now let's get to some actual trading and see what we can do. And here we have a possible entry point. As you can see, this candle is about to close and completely swallow, or maybe not, we'll see, the previous green candle, which has broken out of the Bollinger Band top level. And as you can see, the previous candle has broken out of the top level as well. So we are going to be entering a 2 minute short position here, since this is going to be a bearish engulfing pattern. So we have 5 seconds left on this candle, and we're going to prepare to enter as soon as it closes. And there it is, boom, we enter a 2-minute trade. Pretty simple. This just adds extra certainty to your strategy than just looking at the candle breaking out, because as you can see, the candle has broken out, and with the usual strategy, you would take a short position as soon as the candle breaks out for 1 minute. However, that would result in a loss in this situation, and actually waiting for a bearish engulfing pattern makes the strategy way better and increases its success rate. But now let's skip ahead and see whether we secure the win or not. Let's go. And as you can see, 5 seconds left and we secure a pretty easy $920 just like that. Now let's proceed and find more entry points. You have to add them to your favorites, the pairs, so you can easily navigate through the pairs and find the entry points fast. This strategy requires you to have a little bit more patience than the usual strategies that we use. However, the results speak for themselves, and if you're, for example, usually trading 10% off your balance, you can definitely raise it to 20% with this strategy, because the success rate of it is pretty high and it takes some time to actually find an entry point. So you want to keep a good balance between time spent on looking for entry point and money gained, of course. But now let's proceed looking for more market setups. Let's go. And here we have a bullish engulfing pattern, as you can see. So we are taking a 1 minute long position. I know there was another candle before this one that broken out, and I supposed to take 2 minutes, but I decided to take 1 minute because the last candle, the previous candle, actually barely closed below the Bollinger Bands, and I am taking a 1 minute long position in this situation. However, I am pretty sure that even 2 minute long position would result in a win in this situation. And of course, knowing candlestick patterns is a very important part of trading successfully, so make sure to join the free signals group. We have all those patterns explained in the picture, and you can easily look at the picture and just see how these patterns look and then remember them, and in a bit you are going to be able to spot them in any market you are trading in. And here we have 5 seconds left on the clock, and it seems like we're definitely gonna secure another $880 right there. Boom, very simple. Now we're gonna continue looking for more entry points, and here I just wanted to show you, this is our previous entry, and it would result in a win even if you took a 2 minute long position in this situation as well. So it didn't really make any difference whether I took 1 minute or 2 minutes in that situation. Now let's proceed with our search for more entry points. Let's go. And here we have another entry point. You can see the bullish engulfing pattern has just formed, so we are taking a 2 minute long position, since this is the second candle after the initial one has broken out of the Bollinger Band's bottom level. So this should be a 2 minute trade. However, I think even a 1 minute trade would result in a win here, but let's skip ahead and see. Let's go. So here we have a 1 minute mark, and if I enter the trade for 1 minute, it would result in a win. Now let's fast forward and see whether the 2 minutes is a winnable situation as well. Let's go. And 3 seconds left on the clock, and as you can see, both 1 minute and 2 minute entries would result in a win here. Now let's proceed and see if we can secure another option, and then I'm gonna call it a session, because we already made over $3,000, which is pretty insane. But I still want to do a few more trades just to see how far I can push this strategy. And here I actually see two of the pairs having pretty good entry points. As you can see, both of these are about to be bullish engulfing patterns, and I raised my trading amount to 2,000 because I'm feeling confident in this strategy. And here I'm taking one entry, and on this one as well. However, I probably shouldn't have taken this one because, as you can see, the green bar has been pushed down by the resistance of the sellers, and you can see that it is not looking good. It seems like we're gonna lose 2,000, but I'm pretty confident in the other one because there was a clear bullish engulfing pattern and we took a long position. So now let's skip ahead and see whether we were able to secure any of these options. Let's go. We might be really lucky here. We have 10 seconds. As you can see, both of these options are really close to being winning ones. And let's see what we got. 3 seconds left, and as you can see at the top, we seems like we secure both of these, and that just makes us $3.6 thousand in 2 minutes, which is absolutely insane. And we closed the session at $7,000. The entire session took us a little bit under an hour, so you can count yourself. We made $7,000 in less than an hour, which is a pretty good result if you ask me, of course, but it is different for everybody. But as I keep telling you, stick to the strategy, be very cautious, don't do an entry like I did when there was no clear bullish engulfing pattern. However, there is no trading without a little bit of luck, so I was lucky in this situation. But just stick to the strategy, wait for the breakout from Bollinger Bands, then you wait for bullish or bearish engulfing pattern, and then you take a 1 minute or 2 minute trade, and that should bring you a lot of money. Also join the free signals group to learn more about candle patterns and participate in the social trading with Neos, and of course get yourself a robot and let's get this money. But this is it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.